पर सॉलिड हंगामा मचने वाला है. Give it up for the awesome twosome Siddhant and Abhishek as well. Well, Abhishek, what can I say? कहते हैं हर सक्सेसफुल मर्द के पीछे एक स्त्री का हाथ होता है भाई, और आपके पीछे दो स्त्री का हाथ है, स्त्री 1 and स्त्री 2. How does it feel from जाना के कैरेक्टर से आबू धाबी आइफा रॉक्स के लिए जाना?
सर मुझे लगता है कि स्त्रियों के अलावा मेरे इस मुकाम के लिए एक और चीज़ जिसका कमाल है, और वो है मेरा नाम, क्योंकि मेरा नाम है अभिषेक. तो आई थिंक मेरा अबू धाबी में होना बनता है. और मेरे साथ वहाँ पे चतुर बातें करने के लिए चतुर्वेदी भी हैं, जो कि ज़्यादातर वेट लिफ्टिंग करेंगे, और मैं स्पिरिचुअल बातें करूँगा ताकि ऑडियंस को थोड़ा सा होलिस्टिक अप्रोच हम लोग रखें वहाँ पे.
जी सिद्धांत, आइफा के स्टेज पर आप पिछली बार आए थे जब आपको मिला था बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर फॉर गली बॉय, और इस साल आप होस्ट करने वाले हैं. यू मस्ट बी फीलिंग ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड माय फ्रेंड.
वैसे ये पहली बार है जब मैं आइफा के स्टेज पे आ रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जब वो बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर मिला था तब पैंडेमिक चल रहा था, तो जो अवार्ड है वो मेरे घर आ गया था. यूजुअली लोग आइफा के लिए घर से बाहर जाते, वो मेरे घर आ गया था. लेकिन जो फीलिंग है वो इतनी सॉलिड है यार, क्योंकि ना बचपन से मैंने मम्मी के साथ बैठ के टीवी पे आइफा देखा है और सोचा है कि यार कभी ना कभी तो वहाँ होऊंगा, और अब इस बार आराम से बैठ के मम्मी के साथ अपने आप को देखूंगा होस्ट करते हुए, वो भी आबू धाबी में. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ. और ऐसा है कि मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम द हार्ट. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप ही स्पिरिचुअल, मैं भी थोड़ा सा ऐसा है ना कि
कर
नहीं मैं करूँगा. तो ऐसा है ना कि अगर जो है ना सपने पूरे होते हैं, मतलब मैंने ना भगवान से थोड़ा मांगा था, पर लाइक आइफा ने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही सीरियसली ले लिया यार. सीधे सीधे पहली बार स्टेज पे होस्ट कर रहे हैं, वाह. और ऐसा है ना, एक मेरा मानना है, एक महापुरुष ने कहा है जिनको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता हूँ, कि अगर किसी चीज़ को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है.
सही बात है. महापुरुष से याद आया, एक महापुरुष को यहाँ बुला लेते हैं. हाँ ज़्यादा
बुला लीजिए.
बुला लें.
हाँ बुला ले.
अच्छा, तो लेट्स कॉल ऑन स्टेज द मैन हिमसेल्फ, जो हर चैट शो को होस्ट करते हैं, जो हर मूवी में, जो हर अवार्ड शो को भी होस्ट करते हैं. वेल, द लेजेंड हिमसेल्फ, द धर्मराज ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा. प्लीज वेलकम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन मिस्टर करण जौहर. कोई भी ऐसे बड़ा काम होता है तो एक रिचुअल है कि हम पैर छूते हैं. ठीक है, तो छू लेते हैं पैर. ठीक है,
छू लेते.
ये खुद आप अपने पैर छू रहे हो, ये क्यों?
वो क्या है ना सर, हम नई जनरेशन है ना, तो क्या है कि पहली बार आपके साथ स्टेज पे यहाँ पे ऐसे, तो ऐसी जो फीलिंग है ना, तो बहुत ही कमाल की है. तो ऐसा लगा कि यार खुद ही के पैर छू के खुद ही को आशीर्वाद दे देते हैं ना. तो
कभी कभार वो छोटे छोटे शहरों से भी बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो जाती हैं सर, है ना. तो
देखिए, वे वेरी एक्साइटेड कि आप दोनों होस्ट कर रहे हो, और मेरी सारी दुआएं आपके साथ हैं, दोनों के साथ हैं. एक होस्ट की तरफ से, यहाँ तो मैं निर्देशक निर्माता दोनों हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ इस मंच पे होस्ट हूँ, तो होस्ट होने के नाते मैं आप दोनों को बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स, दुआएं देना चाहता हूँ. आई होप यू आर गोना रियली रॉक इट at IFA Rocks, and you all are both going to kill it, and it's going to be fantastic. But we have a very important announcement to make right now, and if you give me the permission, I'd like to do that.
अरे सर,
प्लीज सर.
Can I do the honors? For that, I'll have to go there.
यस यस सर. तो हम कट लें.
अच्छा
Okay.
सर हम
जाने से पहले एक टिप तो दे दो.
तो कोई टिप होस्टिंग की कोई अगर कोई टिप
मतलब
वगैरह.
होता क्या?
Tip ये है कि keep it short and know when to leave.
अच्छा, ओके.
यही है क्यों, यही है भाई, ये
Sorry,
बताया
thank you,
नहीं
sir.
था हमको.
All the best, boys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, IFA is a legacy. IFA is more than just an award platform. IFA is a bona fide emotion. I remember the very first year that IFA was held at the Millennium Dome, and I remember my father was such an integral part of the formation of IFA, and I remember those were the good old days where we actually cared about seat arrangements, where who sat next to each other mattered, and my father was diligently at it with Andre, Sabas and Viraf. Those emotions haven't left me. they're still very, very fresh in my memory bank. And being here is much more than just attending a ceremony, but it's actually an inclusive fraternity platform. And IFA has always done that, brought our families together. And this year, much more than just bringing an industry together, it's bringing the entire Indian film industry together with IFA Utsavam and IFA coming together. This is a grand celebration of cinema all at once. And when we say grand and we say big and we say large, then we go the biggest. And so the gentleman I'm going to call on stage, it doesn't get bigger than him. It hasn't got, and he's the biggest part of my life, my career, and the biggest part of our cinema, the proudest part of our cinema. He is a legacy movie star, a bona fide legend, and not just an artist that has swept the world with emotion, action, drama, but he's also that man with a golden heart, and he matches the statue to every inch. Please welcome the bona fide king and the crown that should never leave, his persona, Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Karan, and thank you, IFA, for having me here this evening. And thank you to all the friends and colleagues who are present here, all the partners, Shobha, Nexa, Mysore, Ease My Trip, Venky's, and ZTV, of course. And Rana, good evening. Lovely to see you here. Abhishek, so wonderful to see you live after seeing your wonderful film. I've been wanting to call you. And Siddhant, तुम दोनों को सिखा दूं. नेक्स्ट जनरेशन अपने पाँव पड़ती है, पुरानी वाली इज्जत भी देती है, तो ऐसे करती है. But I want to thank Sabbas and Viraf and Andre, my very, very, I don't know if I should say old friends, but young old friends. And I'm so privileged to be hosting this show with Vicky and Karan and all the other amazing talent, some of them not present here this evening. And of course, to see the great performances that will follow. There's Shahid, Vicky is going to perform, Janvi, Kriti, and of course, the most wonderful and the star of them all, Rekha ji will also be there. So for me, it's a great evening, it's a great honor, great privilege. Thank you for having me on IFA. Thank you so much, everyone.
Shah Rukh, it's like a ghar wapsi of sorts. You're back on the IFA stage after nearly a decade, and they couldn't be happier and more excited about welcoming you back into the IFA family, because every time you've been there, you created a storm, literally, like you always have with your cinema. How does it feel to be back on the IFA stage?
इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हो, बुलाया तो एक ही बार था पहले. शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है, शाहरुख खान आ रहा है. एक बार बुलाया होस्ट करने के लिए, उसके बाद 10 साल के बाद बुला रहे हैं. ऐसी तारीफ करवाया जा रहा है, ऐसे लिख के लेकर आया तो यहाँ पे. But it's really nice to be here. Thank you, IFA, for having me. No, I'm not. I'm joking. अब clarify करना पड़ता ना कि joke कर रहे हैं, seriously नहीं बोल रहे हैं. I would have loved to always come, but unfortunately, for some reason or the other, I was working at the point of time when IFA is being hosted all around the world, which makes us very, very proud. And more often than not, I've always had to beg myself off, saying, "Listen, मेरी shooting है, आप कहाँ पे? टोरंटो में हो, वैंकूवर में हो, मलेशिया में हो, यहाँ कर लो ना, यहाँ बोरीवली में कर लो, फिल्म सिटी में कर लो, जैसे बाकी लोग करते हैं यार." But the vision is big. IFA has always thought of taking Indian cinema, and now with the inclusion of Malayalam and Kannada and Tamil, Telugu and Hindi cinema, I think, mashallah, this is even more Indian than it has ever been before. So, keeping up with your vision, I am thankful now, after so many years, trying to come back. I hope we can present well, keep people entertained, and keep it very short.
Yes, yes.
And crisp.
And know when to
and
leave.
fast, yeah. And please come for the rehearsals, Karan.
No. I've left that to you. I know this is a chat we should have in private, but please, can you take care of that?
Okay. So, Karan has told me he's not going to rehearse for hosting. He'll do it on Zoom. भाई मैं जूम पे कर लूंगा, मैं बड़ा जल्दी जल्दी करता हूँ. मैं तो इतना होस्टिंग करता हूँ ना. अभी ये बोल रहे थे ना ये सिद्धांत की, मैं तो ये क्या है, मैं चैट शो भी होस्ट करता है, फिल्म शो भी होस्ट करता है, ये पिक्चरें भी तो बना मेरे भाई, तो कितना होस्ट करेगा.
यही मैं वही सोच रहा था जो सिद्धांत बोल रहा था, तो I was like, this is sounding wrong on all levels for a filmmaker. कि I should be making more movies. That is exactly what I should be doing. But
इसलिए तो rehearsal Zoom पे कर ले, बाकी picture shoot
आप संभाल लो. मैं sponsors की name ले लूँगा.
थैंक यू.
हाँ, please, I'll do that.
और हम कनन को बीच में नहीं आने देंगे, वो स्पॉन्सर्स को चुप करा देता है before they finish. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I think we'll have to maybe look at that. All right. Listen, boys, you're on for a ride, and we're really excited that both of you are hosting IFA Rocks, and along with, of course, Vicky, all of us. Like, we're a community of hosts this time. But we also have an incredible host in the house with us, who is actually going to be hosting IFA Utsavam, big integral part of South cinema. I know for me, the origin of my entry into that cinema came with Rana, and I will always be grateful because Bahubali happened because of Rana. Rana, please join us on stage.
We are fully South Indian, so this is how we do it. That's being South Indian, sir.
Rana, we're so excited that we're all going to be together. And what do you have to say about the fact that this is truly a celebration of Indian cinema with 5 languages being awarded, you know, all at once at one ceremony? I mean, at one event.
So, sir, I don't know if you remember, we were 4 of the languages. We had an event in Dubai at one point, and we came to after party in your house.
Should I tell them about it? I was trying to keep it under
You're
wraps.
trying to keep it under wrap. Now we're official. Now
Yes.
we're actually on stage. We're actually on IFA. We're actually on the same day.
And don't worry, it's just the media that covers about like 1,000 countries at this point of time. So you can say what you want.
No, I was just, the fact that he is so hospitable.
Yeah.
He's actually entertained the entire 4 industries, not just as an actor, but as a human being. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And really, Karan, it started with you. The fact that we got Bahubali here, the first time all the languages started speaking cinema in some form. So thank you for that. And IFA, thank you for putting all us together. The earlier night, are you guys coming for the Utsavam?
Yes.
Thank you. So I think that'll be
it's a deliverable.
It's a deliverable? Oh.
Yeah. We are coming. Clap louder, y'all asked us to.
Thank you, the 3 IFA partners, for making this happen.
Yeah.
I think this is really the first time, sir. All of you all are at the South Indian Utsavam.
Yeah,
Also
it
the
is.
first
Actually, it's
time, yes.
amazing. Like I said, it's quite fantastic. We're really excited about what's to come. And in fact, what a weekend. We start with IFA Utsavam, you have IFA Hindi, and then you have IFA Rocks. And then there's a lot of activities happening with all our talent. We have an incredible lineup, all very excited, and mainly because the main man is here. So thank you, Shahrukh, thank you, Rana, and we'll all leave now.
Thank you.
We'll call Siddharth Kannan back because he may ask us to leave anyways.
All right, so both of you leave, Karan and Rana. Shahrukh, I'd request you remain on stage, please. Give it up for Shah Rukh Khan. I can already hear Abu Dhabi saying, "We love you, Shahrukh." They're screaming and shouting. So happy to see you. Louder for King Khan, please, ladies and gentlemen. I like it. This is an IFA like none other. It is the blockbuster IFA. Now, I invite the 3 wizards of Wizcraft to introduce something very, very special to the world with King Khan himself. May I invite Andre Timmons, Sabas Joseph, and Virav Sarkari on stage, please. We're thrilled to introduce The Club by IFA, the ultimate app for fans of Indian cinema. Now, this exciting platform brings you closer to the stars you love, offering exclusive IFA content, behind-the-scenes moments, and a front-row seat to all the glitz and glamour of the Indian film industry. Now, whether it's following your favorite celebrities or watching special features from the IFA Awards, the Club by IFA is your all-access pass to the magical world of Indian cinema. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen, to immerse yourself in an unforgettable cinematic experience. So here is the first look of the amazing The Club by IFA, the ultimate app for fans of Indian cinema.
The IFA app is an effort from our end to bring the fans of Indian cinema closer to their stars and to their cinema. Nothing more than that and nothing less than that. It'll take everyone closer to become one community, one family. Thank you.
I wish you all the best for this app, and every little step counts to take Indian cinema closer to the people who watch it, not around only in India, but around the world. So thank you very much. I'm sure this will be a very enjoyable experience, and we're all going to get the app downloaded and use it. Well, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Viraf, Andre and Sabas, for coming on stage and launching the stellar app for the fans of Indian cinema. Shahrukh, I request you to remain on stage, please. And I request Andre, Sabas, and Viraf to take their seats as well. And I'd request Mr. Karan Johar to join Shahrukh on stage for the next presentation ceremony. Welcome back, Karan. And at IFA, we believe in strong partnerships. And we'd like to felicitate our strong supporters for making IFA the mammoth brand it is. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'd first like to invite Mr. Partho-san and Nobutaka Suzuki-san on stage. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I request Shahrukh and Karan to honor next presenting partner of IFA Awards and co-presenting partner of IFA Weekend on stage on behalf of IFA. Dr. Yogesh Lakhani, Chairman and Managing Director. Look at his fan following, ladies and gentlemen, of Bright Outdoor Media Limited.